In today's video, I'm going to answer the question you never thought about asking before, but what do smoked crickets taste like to eat? I'm sure most of you are fortunate enough in life to have a best friend. I have a best friend, his name is Ed. You've seen him on the channel before, perhaps if you're a long time watcher and subscriber. And for my birthday, he bought me something that was quite unexpected. Smoked crickets. Now, I thought that it was a mistake. Perhaps he bought a lizard or something. But no, apparently this is a thing. I've read, obviously, in many different countries, they eat insects. It's a thing. And apparently this is a six-legged superfood. So just read you about what it says in here. So it's from a company called bugvita.com. They have an energy value of 445 calories per 100 grams, 69 grams of protein, less than 1 gram of carbohydrates, total fat of 17.5 grams, 0.48 grams of sodium. And in terms of the ingredients, it's natural applewood smoked acheta domesticus crickets, along with that all-important bit of salt. So there is a warning that people who are allergic to crustaceans may be sensitive to insect consumptions, and once opened must be consumed within 7 days and best before 13th September 2021. So there you go, if you're interested. But cooking and for snacks. I don't know. Well, maybe I'm getting old. I know I'm getting old. But there's certain things I won't try. That I'm not interested in drugs and things like that. But people in certain countries live off this stuff, right? So I figured I would try and muster up the courage to try some. So I have a spoon, because I figure there's no point just having one. You need to have a whole spoonful. And I probably should get something to be sick in. I'll be sick into this bowl if I need to be sick. But yeah, let's try it. So open them up. Kind of reminds of an old fishing tackle box. Look at them. You can see the little eyes on the dude. Look. Ugh. But anyway, I'm trying to get, what with lockdown and everything, I realise it might be important to become more one with nature. So I guess I should keep this all up above board so I'm not just eating Rice Krispies or something. So, I'm struggling now. Okay. I don't think I can eat a whole massive spoonful. Is that sufficient, I think? Trying to get this to... Okay. My heart is pounding. Okay. Doesn't actually taste that bad. A little bit like pork scratchings. Well, there you go. Smoked crickets. I don't think they're going to be my new lunchtime favourite, but it's like pork scratchings mixed in with sawdust. Yeah, don't know. They're not disgusting. It's hard to describe the flavour. Nice and crunchy. Yeah. Never thought I'd eat some smoked crickets, but there you go. I hope this kind of thought this video was somewhat interesting. Please leave a like just for the fact that I ate smoked crickets. I like to geek out and try all sorts of different stuff on this channel, so please share and subscribe if you liked it. Leave some comments. Let me know if you ever tried crickets or whatever other things are available. I think I'll look on this website, see what else they have. But yeah, ugh. I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, it wasn't terrible. I just ate crickets. That's not what I eat every day. Ugh. Catch you on the next one. Bye for now.